Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Lutron HomeWorks QMX firmware for First, ensure that your Lutron HomeWorks QMX system is powered on and fully operational. Connect your computer or laptop to the same network as your Lutron HomeWorks QMX system. Open a web browser and enter the IP address of your Lutron HomeWorks QMX system in the address bar. Log in with your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Firmware Updates section of the interface. Check the current firmware version displayed on the screen. Visit the Lutron website to find the latest firmware version available for the QMX system. Download the latest firmware file to your computer. Return to the Firmware Updates section of the Lutron interface. Click on the Choose File or Browse button to locate the downloaded firmware file. Once you've selected the file, click on the Upload button to begin the update process. Wait for the upload to complete. This may take a few moments. During the firmware update, the system may restart multiple times. Do not interrupt the power during this process to avoid firmware corruption. After the update is complete, a confirmation message should appear on the screen. Check the firmware version again to ensure it has been updated successfully. If the version reflects the latest one, the update was successful. Finally, perform a quick functionality check on your smart lighting to ensure everything is working as expected. Congratulations, you have now successfully updated your Lutron HomeWorks QMX firmware for smart lighting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.